to welcome you to our group, and our group purpose is North America and South America. First of all, I would heartily First of all, I would like to introduce myself and my group members. Myself, Kshatriya Kanishka, Yashraj, Solanki Yashraj, Kashi Piyush, Lakwadi Ole, Pati Ranger, and Thakur Rani. Let me let me let me explain the physical features of North America and South America. North America and South America are named after an Italian navigator, Amerigo Vespucci, who was the first European to suggest that the Americas were not the part of the East Indies but an entirely separate landmass. The portions of the landmass that lie south of the Isthmus of Panama became known as South America. The North America, the third largest continent, extends from the tiny Aleutian Islands in the northwest to the Isthmus of Panama in the south. Now I would like to call my friend Kasi Piyush to explain in detail about North America's physical features.
As she has explained you about North and South America introduction physical features. Now I would like to explain about North America physical features in detail. North America, the third largest continent, extends to the tiny Aleutian Islands in the northwest and the Isthmus of Panama in south. North America can be divided into 5 physical regions. They are the mountainous belt, the Great Plains, the Canadian Shield, the Varied Eastern region, and the Caribbean. Mexico and the Central America's western coast are connected to the mountainous west, whereas the coastal plains are extended into the Varied Eastern region. Within this region, all the major types of biomes in the world. A biome is a community of animals, plants, spreading over an extensive area with an uniform climate. Some diverse biomes in North America are desert, grassland, tundra, and the coral reef. Now I would like to call Kshatriya Kanishka to explain you about South America physical features in detail.
As Piyush explained the physical feature of North America in detail, I will explain the South America's physical feature in detail. South America, the fourth largest continent, extends from the Gulf of Darien in the northwest to the archipelago of Tierra del Fuego in the south. South America's rich biodiversity is unique among the world's continents. South America can be divided into 2 physical regions: mountains and highlands, river basins and coastal plains. Mountains and coastal plains generally run in a north-south direction, while highlands and river basins generally run in an east-west direction. Now I would like to call my friend Lakpati Ole to explain about Andes Mountains.
As Kshatriya Kanishka explained about the physical features of South America, so now I will explain about the biggest mountain range of South America, the Andes Mountains. South America's primary mountain system, the Andes, it is also the world's longest mountain range, which covers about 8,850 kilometers, which is situated on the far western edge of continent. It lies between the southern tip to the northmost coast of South America. It has hundreds of feet, which are 4,500 meters tall. So now I would
Asif Piyush explain the model of Denali Mountain. I will explain the model of Black Rock Desert. So first of all, what is desert? A desert is an area of land which is usually covered with sand and has very little water and very few plants. Why are deserts important? Deserts provide local inhabitants and other communities their needs. Here we have the very unique model of Black Rock Desert. Black Rock Desert is located in the North America. Black Rock Desert is a very special desert. It is formed by the lake which was extended before 20,000 years. Here is my model. As you can see, in this model I have used thermocol sheet to make base and sand to apply like desert and black rock. Now I would like to call my explain about it.
What are artists? A natural art. The Here I have made my model